The best description of chicken can only come from one guy. It's Katt Williams. Listen to him just talking about chicken. That's the funniest shit ever.
How you know God made it? Because that bird is the most delicious bird in the whole world. And that motherfucker can't fly. Because God loves you. If chickens could fly, half the motherfuckers in here be dead right now. If you had to catch your own two-piece, you'll die. You just in the backyard. That was a spicy combo, too. I can't keep missing these opportunities. Where's all the fellas in here with an ugly woman? Make some noise.